Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize investment strategies with eTrade step by step clearly. Begin by creating an eTrade account if you haven't done so already. Visit the eTrade website and click on the Open an Account button. Complete the online application form with your personal and financial information. Make sure to provide accurate investment experience and financial goals for a tailored experience. Once your account is created, log in to the eTrade platform. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard to locate key features. Access the Research and Insights section to analyze current market trends. Utilize market news to stay updated on factors impacting your investments. Explore investment options such as stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and options. Use the eTrade screener tools to filter securities based on your criteria. Evaluate the performance of different investments by reviewing historical data. Set up watch lists for the stocks or funds you are interested in tracking. Consider using eTrade's educational resources to enhance your investment knowledge. Analyze various investment strategies, such as dollar-cost averaging or value investing. Assess your risk tolerance to choose suitable investment options. Review eTrade's portfolio analysis tools to gauge your current asset allocation. Make necessary adjustments based on your investment strategy and market conditions. Use the eTrade mobile app for trading on the go and managing your investments. Monitor your investments regularly to stay on track with your goals. Consider setting alerts for significant price changes or market events. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain alignment with your investment strategy. Utilize tax-efficient strategies if applicable, and consult eTrade's tax resources for guidance. Evaluate your progress and investment performance over time. Continually educate yourself on market trends and strategies to optimize your investments. Stay patient and disciplined, as investing is a long-term journey. Review your financial goals regularly to ensure alignment with your investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.